This is the Transformer Automatic Fold-Up Scooter by Enhanced Mobility. This is one of the only scooters on the market where you will get a fog key with your keys, where it has an automatic fold-up. So if you take your fog and you hit the B button right here twice until it beeps, you will hear the fold-up. This is what it looks like when it folds up. Now this is a two-stage fold-up, so you have to hit it again and it'll fold up. This is just in case there was something under here, you wouldn't get caught up. So you have to hit the button twice, and now your scooter is folded up, and you can see how easy it is to transport, okay? Now the total weight of this scooter right here, with the battery pack inside the scooter, is 57 pounds. So this scooter right here is 57 pounds. Now I'm fairly strong for my age, so this is not lightweight. It's 57 pounds, the way it is there. Also, with this scooter, let's open it back up. When you want to open it back up, you just do the A part of it, and it'll start opening up by itself. Again, it'll stop, then you hit it again. Then it'll open all the way up, all the way down, I should say. Okay, so right now, this is what you would do if you want to automatically fold it. You use your key fob. I'm going to put this back on here with the keys so we don't lose this. Now, this is a 300-pound weight capability scooter, so it'll hold up to 300 pounds. But remember, the seat is 17 by 14, 17 inches wide by 14, so it's not a large seat. The arms do flip up. The width of this scooter is 18.1 inches from here down, 18.1 inches. So a lot of you like to do cruise ships, and we know that on cruise ship the doors are around 22 inches, so this will fit through the doors with no problem at all. Now the arms are a little bit more than 18 inches, so if you take the arms out, just unscrew the knob right here, and take your arms out, and you're well within the 18 inches right here, okay? Then put your arms back in if it doesn't fit through the door of your cruise ship. Now, this scooter has a lithium pack battery right here that weighs 4 pounds. So if you take the battery out, your total weight of your scooter when it's folded, I'm not sure if it would fold without the battery pack, but it would be 53 pounds without the batteries, okay? So with the battery pack folded, it's 57 pounds. This battery pack is approved for airline transportation, cruise ship, because it is small enough and it's been approved already. So this lithium battery pack and this scooter here is already approved for transportation on airplanes and cruise ship. The tires are 6 inch up front, they're 9 inch in the back. Let's look at the tiller. This is called the tiller right here. On this tiller, you've got right here, you've got your forward and you've got your reverse right here. And you do have a beeping sound when you reverse. You have 2 keys that comes with it. You have a speed dial that goes from crawling to all the way to fast, which is 3.7 miles an hour. 3.7 miles an hour is the top speed. You have your lights here for your batteries. You will lose the green ones first, you will lose the orange one, and then you will be down to the red where you're almost empty. This scooter has a distance on a full battery charge of 13.4 miles distance. 13.4, but that is going to vary depending on the weight of the user, what kind of surface you're on. If you're going uphill, some of you will get more, some of you will get less, but that's just a good indication. 13.5 miles on a battery charge. Now, the tiller, this is called the tiller. There's a lever right here. You can adjust it down if you want it lower right here with this little lever. And you can also adjust the height right here. You can adjust the height right here. And you just shut it down. That's to adjust your height on your tiller. When you charge this scooter, it'll come with a small charger. You will take your charger right here, and you'll go to the back of the scooter. Right back here, you have an entry port for your charger, okay? So you can plug it right here, and you can plug it into the wall, and as soon as the light turns green on your charger, you're fully charged. So this is a real small charger. You can carry this in your purse or in your luggage. Always keep this with you. Now, what if you're on the road with this little scooter right here and you lose your automatic fog? So if you lose your fog right here, you can also fold the scooter automatically with this little button right here by holding it down until you hear the beeps. There we go. So again, it'll stop, and then you'll have to do it one more time. Then it'll fold the rest of the way. Pretty neat little thing. And you want to unfold it, just hit the left side of the button right here, and it'll start unfolding. This is so neat. And then one more time, because it's a 2-stage, and it'll go the rest of the way, and just flip your seat up like this. I'm going to put the key fob back on here. Okay, so let's recap. We have a automatic fold-up scooter with a fog. It's called a Transformer by Enhanced Mobility. It comes in 4 different colors. You can see the colors on our website. It has a seat that's 17 inches wide by 15 inches or 14 inches. You've got arms that flip up. You have a seat that flips down over here. You've got a battery pack that will give you about 13.4 miles or 13.5 miles, depending on what kind of condition, what kind of driver you are and the weight of the user. You've got the key fob, you've got the forward here, and you've got the reverse here, forward and reverse. You've got the battery charger that comes with it. This scooter, as I said, is 18.1 inches wide. It's 37 inches long. The total weight of the scooter with the battery pack folded up is 57 pounds. It comes with the charger, solid tires all the way around. Top speed is 3.7 miles an hour. As I said, it's a fantastic scooter. So if you're looking for a scooter to go on cruise ships or airlines, and you want something that's foldable, portable, easily transportable, with a 300-pound weight capability, this is a really nice one. So this is the Solax Transformer foldable, automatic foldable scooter. This scooter has a 300-pound weight capability, 18 inches, 18.1 inches wide, 37 inches long. It'll hold up to 300 pounds. Top speed, 3.7 miles an hour. And the distance you'll get on a battery charge on the lithium battery is 13.5 miles, depending on what kind of surface you're on, what kind of user you are. And the total weight of the scooter, as I said, is 57 pounds. And this battery is approved for airline transportation, cruise ship. It is small enough, it's already been approved. This is a great little scooter if you want something to go. It's portable, easy to fold, and you want to take it in the back of your car without having to have a lift. I would definitely recommend this little one here.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex.
We are a family-owned business for over 25 years.
We have many products available, not just what you see in this video. If you would like to learn more, you can call the number below at 800-677-6293, or you can visit us directly at www.marksmobility.com.